small betaine soft whip pellet. Picture there again. Grandad's got one on. Sharted.
Got one on?
Yeah, he's just sharted. Get it in then. My granddad's on the other side of the pond. See if we can get a bream.
I've got to say the thingy as well. The name of the place.
Today we're at Parkhall Fishery in Woodhouse. Opposite side. Easy to get your tackle out. Picked this peg earlier today. Started off a bit slow. Caught a few roach. Got a bream. Cruising. Caught 2 carp on the feeder along with a few bream. Out in that gap. Choke that. Out in that gap in between islands and come back here and they've started feeding. Got a tench. A few bream as you saw in my last video. Fishing with small betaine pellet. Just see if we can get some bream.
What about the
On the other side, he's had a few carp.
5 carp?
5 carp. He's got one on now. You can see that there's some stuff, some fish rocking lily beds about the side of my float. A few bubbles. Off you now.
He's got one. He's got one. He's got the big one.
Yeah, he's gone straight under these weeds.
No. Is it a fish?
Yeah. Straight in the weeds. I think the hooks come out. Yeah. Sorry about that. Just give me a sec. Stop video, Damon.